a sonnet's grace, steal and steam in an endless embrace, a carriage of dreams where we take our place. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Velvet gloves on a wheel so new, smoke curls rise to kiss the dew. Through gilded arches the world we view. Each spark a promise, a daring flight, a dawn of motion chasing night. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Stars above, they nod and gleam, as if to honor this rolling dream. A dance of gears, a clockwork hymn, boundless roads where the future swims. The engine whispers like a sonnet's grace, steel and steam in an endless embrace, a carriage of dreams where we take our place. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Velvet gloves on a wheel so new, smoke curls rise to kiss the dew. Through gilded arches the world we view. Each spark a promise, a daring flight, a dawn of motion chasing night. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Oh, the stars above, they vision whispers like a sonnet's grace, steel and steam in an endless embrace, a carriage of dreams where we take our place. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Velvet gloves on a wheel so new, smoke curls rise to kiss the dew. Through gilded arches the world we view. Each spark a promise, a daring flight, a dawn of motion chasing night. Wheels of love, they turn and glide through the lanes where hearts confide. Freedom hums a gentle song. Wheels of love, they carry us along. Stars above, they nod and gleam, as if to honor this rolling dream. A dance of gear